that place.
Go on, Rupam. That's what we want. We knew that Sachin can't be leading this, right? Very good. Go on.
So first you said Quick Eyes is a B2B one and the first of its kind in India. How did you came up with this idea? Why did you wanted to start this?
So Rupam, मेरे साथ ना शुरू से ही प्रॉब्लम थी. So I have switched couple of or many companies. Why? Because मैं बड़ी जल्दी बोर हो जाता था. खैर कहीं जगह काम भी नहीं कर पाता था, इसलिए भी रीजन था, to be very truthful. But मैं बोर हो जाता था बड़ी जल्दी. So I wanted to do something जिसमें engagement रहे, and I'm doing something new. I would say every month, something of that sort. तो वो करते करते, so my last job was with this company called Insurance Dekho. कार देखो की entity है Insurance Dekho. So these guys used to have office in Gurgaon, and तो वहाँ पे they had recently raised a funding of about 100 CR or something, which was Series A biggest funding. So एक दिन मैं संडे को गया वहाँ पे, मैंने देखा एक बंदा को इंटरव्यू लेने आया हुआ है एंड विद कैमरास एंड ऑल. देन आज दिन क्या चल रहा है, तो उसने बताया कि पॉडकास्ट हो रहा है. एंड मेरे साथ में ही लड़की जो ये कराती थी अरेंजमेंट, she was just sitting next to me, used to sit next to me in that office. तो मैं पूछ रहा था क्या है. Then she used to tell कि इंटरव्यू हो रहे हैं, and then we are doing editing. कई बार जो इंटरव्यू लेने आ रहा है वो खुद ही एडिटिंग कर रहा है, कई बार वो रॉ फाइल देते हैं और हम एडिटिंग करके हम सर के बारे में लिंक्डइन पे डालते हैं. Then I thought this is very interesting, and by chance उसी टाइम पे वो सोनी पे वो जो सीरियल आता था, I just forgot. It was like very much in the peak 2 years back. तो मुझे लगा that we should also do something in this space, and I felt कि आज की डेट, उस टाइम में भी और अभी भी मैगजीन्स, कोई ऑप्टिकल मैगजीन्स पढ़ता नहीं है, सिर्फ फोटोज देखता है. So I thought this can be a better medium to start, and since I had contacts within the industry, so I felt कि इसको मैं commercialize भी कर सकता हूँ over the period of time. But I wasn't sure, 50-50 था, but मुझे था कि अगर ये start करूँगा तो people will recognize me. Of course वैसे भी करते हैं, but I wanted to do it on a larger scale. So that was the reason that I thought of starting this, and मेरा पहला इंटरव्यू was with नीलेश सर. वो मैंने ऐसे ही घर पे बैठ के लिया था, एंड पहले इंटरव्यू में ही 1 घंटा हमने बात करके रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो पाई, बिकॉज जैसे इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट किया था किसी का फोन आ गया, और जैसे ही फोन आ जाता है ना तो वो बंद हो जाता है, मतलब रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप हो जाती है. मुझे पता नहीं था, और 1 घंटे के बाद जब मैंने कहा अच्छा स्टॉप करता हूँ, तो देखा वो तो रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ है. 40 सेकंड की रिकॉर्डिंग हुई थी बस.
Well, with that, till the time you ask some question, another question for Sachin, so that he does not get opportunity to ask us questions. ये Quick Eyes नाम कहाँ से आया, क्यों आया, कैसे आया, पीछे का ब्लू कलर क्यों आया, Quick Eyes के फॉन्ट साइज कैसे आपने चूज किए, ये सब बारे में हमें कुछ बताया.
तो मैंने एक वेबसाइट URL भी बुक कराया हुआ है, तो उसमें कुछ डाल रहा था. सो इजीएस्ट जो मुझे लगा वो बाय चांस मैंने Quick Eyes डाला तो मिल गया. सो दैट्स द ओनली रीजन. एंड फॉन्ट ब्लू इसलिए, आई बिलीव सारी लेंस कंपनीज का भी फॉन्ट इज ब्लू. इफ यू सी होया, एस्टेल और जाइज. So I thought that कुछ सोच के ब्लू कलर पिक किया होगा, तो मुझे लगा चलो ब्लू ही डाल देते हैं. That's it.
With that, I'll ask you another question, Sachin, which most of the people will be surprised to know that you are an optometrist yourself.
हाँ,
right?
ये किसी को नहीं पता.
किसी को नहीं पता है शायद कि सचिन भी एक ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट है. So how did you came into optometry and रेटिनोस्कोप वगैरह कुछ याद है अभी कि पूरे भूल चुके हो?
So I also joined BBA. अच्छा, तो मैंने ना BBA ज्वाइन किया था दिल्ली में कॉलेज में, और एंट्रेंस में पता है कितने मार्क्स आए थे? 200 में से I got 4. एंड स्टिल मेरे ना एडमिशन हो गया. मैंने पूछा, मेरे एडमिशन कैसे हुआ सर, आप मार्क्स दिखा दो. तो कह रहे नहीं वो आपका एडमिशन हो गया. मैं कहा अच्छा कैसे? वो नहीं, आपका ना वाइवा बड़ा अच्छा हुआ था. मैं कहा वाइवा में तो कुछ पूछा ही नहीं, उन्होंने ये पूछा आपके फादर क्या करते हैं, आप क्या करते हो एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. कह रहे नहीं सर आपका ना अच्छा हुआ था. मैं कहा अच्छा पेपर देखो. उसने पेपर दिखाया, मैं कहा 200 में से 4 नंबर आए हैं. तो खैर बीबीए में एडमिशन हो गया था, बट देन आई गॉट एडमिशन इन ऑप्टोमेट्री आल्सो इन वन ऑफ द कॉलेज इन दिल्ली. Not much to flaunt about that, so that's why I don't want to name it also here. तो and since college ऐसी था, flaunt करने लायक नहीं था, तो वहाँ पढ़ाई भी ऐसी थी, and I'm pretty bad in retinoscopy. मुझे नहीं आती करनी. So that's the reason I don't tell to many people. मेरे को पता चले किसी ने बिठा दिया, चलो टेस्टिंग करो, तो बेइज्जती नहीं होनी चाहिए.
You decided that you will leave your corporate job, I should say high paying corporate job, and then get into this. And have you decided that yes, this is what your calling was?
I got a couple of offers from different companies, but even my wife says join कर लो, but मुझे पता है मैंने कर लिया, जब मैं छोड़ दूंगा फिर 6 महीने, इसलिए I don't want to do it.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So Rupam, question to you. The question which you asked Sachin then, that how did you came to optometry? So how did Rupam arrive?
So it was also okay. So I was pretty good in studies. If you see my marks and all, I was good in studies. But I always wanted to join police. You know, that was my calling. I felt that was my calling. You know, and Calcutta Police, growing up in Kolkata, was like, you know, the traffic sergeant used to carry guns, and their dress was white and black boots, red. You would get to ride a bike. That was more important. You get to ride a bullet. You know, if you're a Calcutta traffic sergeant, I always wanted to be there. You know, and based on those circumstances, I did not want to give my joint entrance examination. And in our time, you know, what happens is 1 year of waste in a student's life was like, it was a taboo. You can't even imagine. That's an unimaginable scene at that point of time, that, you know, this is the biggest scene in the world, that will drop off for 1 year. So my mother was from medical field, so she said, you know, and she always used to say this, that, you know, you should get into medical field. You will never sleep hungry. You know, at least you can push one injection, give
Yeah,
one
man.
drop, and have 10 rupees. At least you will eat something. You will never go to sleep hungry. So go to the medical field. You know, and then you know, that was the time when we had this optometry entrance examination. You know, and I gave both, once in Pune and one in Kolkata. I was having good ranks in both of them, so got selected in both Pune and Kolkata, which is Bharati Vidyapith and Vidyasagar College of Optometry and Vision Science. My father bribed me with a bike, so I came back to Calcutta, joined Vidyasagar College of Optometry and Vision Science, and it started from there.
I will answer that, but then I feel sad that because of that bike, BVP, lost one seat. Yeah, that's uncle. What did you do? Yeah.
And
So,
that bike was also a
mine
story.
is-
Yeah, that bike was also a story came, because I think this will be a fun conversation to have on that
Yeah,
bike.
please go on.
So, you know, that time Roadies was very famous, you know, and Roadies was
Oh.
riding on Charisma. And my father said, I'll buy any bike you come down. And we did not agree on which bike he will buy me, right? So I went to the Hero Honda showroom at that point of time. I saw, you know, a beautiful sky color Charisma, and I said, oh, my father might have booked this for me. And then he arrived and he said, you know, please bring the bike. I have already booked for my son. And you know, the bike he had brought was CD Dawn. It was not even 100cc bike, you know. And it was a very small bike, and you know how big a guy I am, right? So normally, so what happened was, for the first 1 month you never notice that, because it's your bike. You are free. You are you know, riding the bike here and there. Then one of my classmates gave me an amazing compliment on that bike, which I had lived with, and I've not forgotten that yet. So she said, have you ever been to a circus? I said, yes. She said, have you ever seen a bear riding a bicycle? I said, yes. She said, you exactly look like that on your bike. So but I wrote that CD Dawn for almost, you know, I think 4 years of college, and then in Delhi probably 2 years. So almost 6-7 years I have wrote that CD Dawn. I have taken it to various places across India. So, but that
That's
bike
cool.
was very special. Yeah, but that's how
But
the
then
story
you
was.
remember it, you know, you remember it
Yeah.
even today. That's
I
nice.
remember the bear riding the cycle. Of course, I do that. Over to you, Kim. How did you came into optometry? Sorry, Impel, answer from Kim. We'll take all the questions.
Yeah. So that's very like any other, medical person there. I appeared for all the exams. I didn't get seat anywhere. Luckily, I got a seat at AIIMS, and I had no choice but join there. So that's how I came to optometry, and I am really happy that this happened to me. I will share a live means like actual thing which happened with me, you know, actual experience. So I was visiting a store, to in my part of my profile, you know, and then I wanted to interact with the optometrist there, and this person was not giving any attention. So I visited, I introduced myself, and then he said, okay, he introduced me to a different optometrist. Okay, you can go and talk to him. Okay, I spoke to that person, came out, and then I spoke to my senior that, okay, by the way, this person I could meet, this person I couldn't meet, because this person felt that, okay, I would not add any value to it. Do you want to know the name of that person? Mr. Sachin Puri.
Oh,
He don't remember by now, but then he was the one, and then I visited, I said, and I was like, what can I tell that him when he's not ready to talk to me today? Sachin, आपको पता नहीं आ रहा है नहीं यार. Ankit, hope you like this one.
Of time it gets over the
सचिन
period
मेरा
of
बॉस था.
time-
ये कितना डिस्करेज किया मेरे को, पहले पूछो इसको. सचिन वाज माय बॉस इन माय फर्स्ट रिटेल जॉब. मैं बोला मेरे को मैनेजर बनना है. बोला नहीं, पहले ये करो पर फिर बनाएंगे मैनेजर.
So, Ankit, who is asking, answer is no. Came, he is just obsessed with work. Achha, I think he's telling me, Ankit.
Yeah, he's
Why
telling
I
you.
don't- Why is he such a fair anyways? Anjali Das.
Ankit, keep up the good work, brother. Keep up the good work.
Anjali Das. Who is Anjali Das? I think she's laughing because I shared that I saw F1. But it's a
If you take my job experience, it was fourth job experience, because before that I used to do a bit of a door-to-door sales as well to get my money, and I also used to teach kids to get some money when I was in my college. So jobs काफी किए सर, odd jobs किए हैं. आशीर्वाद आटा भी बेचा है, बच्चों को भी पढ़ाया है. फिर बॉसलम में काम किया है, फिर श्रॉफ में काम किया है, फिर then I met you. That's how it was. So I was well versed with sales. That was I asked you to make me a manager, na? You did not make it in the first place.
ये आदमी पता है, ये आदमी जाइज में जब था, मैंने इससे ज्यादा महंगी आदमी देखा था। ये था और एक इसका फ्रेंड था, इंद्रोनील नहीं, क्या नाम था वो, जो रूपम होता था स्टोर पे, ये था और एक इसका फ्रेंड था इंद्रोनील बंगाली। यार इतना काम करते थे ना खेल, ही यूज्ड टू स्वीप द फ्लोर, ये झाड़ू और पोछा मारता था, क्योंकि वो स्टोर बड़ा गंदा होता था कई बारी। मतलब ही वाज सो हार्ड वर्किंग, आई वाज सरप्राइज सीइंग इट। मतलब मुझे तो लगता था यार क्या आदमी है, और कोई और नहीं करता था, सिर्फ ये करता था और एक इसका फ्रेंड था साथ में बंगाली। तो दीस टू गाइस
Prasenjit
एंड अमेजिंग
Chatterjee.
प्रसन्नजीत चैटर्जी, अमेजिंग पीपल।
I think that's what shows that you love with what you're doing, like, you know, and that is why it is never boring for such people. So
Exactly.
I would say
And
like,
probably the other fact was also we used to spend more time in that store compared to our family, our house. How will you make it dirty? Why will you not clean it yourself if somebody else is not helping you out, right? You have to do it yourself, because we were spending 12 to 13 hours in that place.
I just recollect we were asking Sachin that what do you do? I think one other passion which Sachin has is interior decoration, interior designing, and I have seen he has done a lot of beautiful projects. I've seen photographs, and then because we have worked together, when often when we used to check in into hotel, he will scan the hotel, the room, and then he will give his expert comment. ये जो झूला है ना, ये इधर होना चाहिए था, ये जो शामियाना है ये जच नहीं रहा है. So that's another passion which he has. I don't know why he's not sharing, because maybe he's too much workaholic that he has forgotten, or he don't want to express this at this forum. Sachin,
संगत का असर होता है, जब से आपसे बिछड़ गए ना काम पे, तब से ये हालत है इनकी.
सर वॉशरूम में टाइम था ना ये सब देखने का, अब टाइम नहीं है.
Okay.
But
So why I'm saying this is, anybody who wants an expert opinion on interiors, he can definitely help.
And also, I have made about 5-6 showrooms, retail stores for someone. I have designed these stores and for someone. Yeah.
So a quick disclaimer: Mr. Puri does not do anything for free. Get his charges, have that balance in your bank, and then approach him for interior decoration. He would be more than happy to oblige you after that.
And even interviews and podcast also. तो 6 महीने पहले मैंने किसी के करे मुफ्त में, बट अब नहीं करता मैं, because इंटरव्यू लेना आसान है, एडिट करना is very very difficult.
So what is the tools that you use for editing? Let us know that as well.
तो आई विल जस्ट शो यू सॉफ्टवेयर है यार. एक वीड करके सॉफ्टवेयर है, कैनवा है. कैनवा इज लाइक, अगर छोटा रील बनाना हो 10-15 सेकंड का या 1-2 मिनट का, इट इज वेरी गुड. वीड इज वेरी गुड. सो वीड इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ वेबसाइट जिसमें आप पूरा का पूरा अपना वीडियो अपलोड करते हैं, तो उसमें टाइम बड़ा लगता है. पहले अपलोड होता है, फिर एडिटिंग होता है, फिर डाउनलोड होता है. सो देयर इज अ वे दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज अ सॉफ्टवेयर. मॉनव्यू करके एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, but वो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है यूज करना. आई एम नॉट प्रो इन दैट, सो आई प्रेफर यूजिंग वीड. देन आई डाउनलोड इट एंड देन आई डू द माइनर एडिटिंग्स ऑन कैनवा.
सचिन को तो नाम से ही पसंद आ गया होगा सॉफ्टवेयर, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज यूजिंग इट. तो
अगर तुम देखो, ये ऊपर एक वीडियो है और ये नीचे सारे एडिटेड वर्जन्स हैं. इसको कट कॉपी, सो जो वीडियोस हैं वो दिख रही होंगी आपको. देन इन बिटवीन आई हैव overlaid with other content.
And what I love from this conversation is, today, because you have joined this YouTube live from Quick Eyes, Mr. Sachin Puri, you get a free opportunity to get your resume updated by Sachin Puri, right? And he's very good at it, I can assure you on that. So please reach out to him. I think probably the first 10 who reaches out to him gets a CV done by him. But please reach out. Help is there if you ask for it. And the best part is to ask help from strangers, right? Because they don't judge you. I know it is.
They don't judge you, right?
Yes.
I like
from somebody you know. It is very difficult, right? I have been through bad phases as well, and I've written to people like Mel Robinson. So yes, came over to you.
Also, before giving it to Kim, so I just want to tell everyone there, whosoever is there. So every month Kim goes for travel for 5-6 days without his wife and his kid. I don't know how both of them allow him to go. And
close to heart. This is first time I've spoken to Sachin so long, and we didn't had any dissatisfaction on our topic of discussion, any contradictions. This is first time ever happened since I know him. Coming back to we have a very small industry, and then majority of us are very good people. I think we should talk to each other more often. That's what I would say. Thank you so much. Thanks, Sachin, for the opportunity. Rupam, okay. I've seen your journey. Both of us have traveled this part together almost at the same time. It's privileged to be with you in this particular live chat. Thank you, Sachin, for the opportunity.
And you're looking beautiful in that sunglass.
And I will not tell anything. I will not tell anything which I don't believe. You look better without any glasses. So natural looks are always good. Good.